everyone, J&J here again. As your realtors, we look forward to helping you sell your home. But to help you understand how to put a value on it, we've put together some key information for you. We hope you find it useful. So without further ado, what can I sell my house for?
Well, the first thing you need to know is, how does an appraiser determine the value on your home? To start, what the appraiser does is run a search. He searches for every home that's sold in the last 6 months within 1 mile radius of your house. They compare your home to any model matches or any house with similar square footage and same number of bedrooms.
As your realtor, we use the same guidelines, but we also take a few more things into consideration when suggesting an asking price. As always, number one is location, whether it be a busy street, pie yard, or a corner lot.
Second is surroundings, whether you're across the street from a school, near a railroad track, or conveniently located near a shopping center.
And number three would be upgrades. Granite counters, plantation shutters, Berber carpet, perhaps a swimming pool.
These are all amenities and differences that you may have when comparing your home. So by having us taking these into consideration and listing your home, we can negotiate your house for top dollar.
When selling your home with J&J, you get 2 agents for the price of 1.
We look forward to meeting you and building a tradition of trust.